Hello guys, welcome to HKR Studio. So today in this video, I'll be explaining you how to use Discord app very easily. So before starting the video, I would like to thank all my viewers for the beautiful response for my first video. So let's get started. Discord app is mainly used for communication purposes. You can do text, audio messages, video messages, and also you can do screen sharing through this app. The best part of this app is that you can also communicate with your friends while playing a game. This app is mainly available in Android, iOS, and also in Windows. So in this video, I'll be explaining you how to use this app in Android smartphone.
So first of all, let us open Discord. This app is available in Play Store. I'll be sharing you the link through the description section and also in the comment box below. So let's open. When you open for the first time, this is how it will be shown. If you are new to this app, select register and create a new account using Gmail ID. Well, I already have one account, so I am selecting login. And when you log in, at the top extreme left, you can see HKR Studio, AU. These are some of the servers that I am using. So when you select one among them, for example HKR Studio I am taking, drag left, and here you can do text messages, and also you can share pictures like the one shown above. Now you select the three lines seen at the top left, this one, and here near to my servers you can see one green plus sign. When you select this, there are two options. First one is to create a server and second one is to join a server. If you want to create a server, select create server and give a name for your server, and you can also upload a pic as the DP of this server. So I am selecting one. Upload. Create. Now the server is created. You can share the link by selecting share link, and you can send it through WhatsApp or Facebook, anywhere you can send. Now your friends can join using this link. And now I'll be showing you how to join a server. But before that, I want to show one more thing. After you create a server, here you can see one option. If you don't want to expire your server, I mean if you want to use this server forever, then you can on this. Or if you want to expire this server at a particular time, then you can give off and go to settings. Here you can give the expiry day or the expiry hour. I am giving 12 hours as the expiry time, and below you can see you can also select the maximum number of users you want for your server. So for now I am, for example, giving 10 as the maximum users and give create link. So that's it. Next, I'll be showing you how to join a server. For that, once again, select the green line at the left, select green plus sign, join a server. Here, you can copy paste the link that your friends or any others give you. For example, I am taking the link that I have already shared my friend. Paste. And now you can give join server. So your friends can join using the link that you are sharing. So now I am going to show another feature, that is voice channel. In voice channel you can do live voice chat with your friends. I'll be showing you how. Here, if you are taking this HKR Studio, here this is now the text channel is activated. In order to activate the voice channel, you can see here voice channel. Below that there is an option called General. Select it and now select Join Voice.
So I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any suggestions, please be free to comment on the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Thank you.